teacher. Yuri teacher time! Hello, boys and girls. What's wrong with my hair? How are you guys doing today? Do you guys like this rainy weather? Yes? I don't really like this rainy, humid weather. When is the sunny, hot weather will come? Every teacher loves sunny, hot weather, so I can go out and play and I can go to the beach and get a little nice tan. Anyways, it's raining and it's very humid. I don't care if it's humid or not. I just want sunny, hot sunny day. Right? Anyways, guys. This whole week, we went over all the long A sounds words, right? So let me see if you guys can remember all the long A sounds words, okay? Let me see. I think, except for a few students, I think everybody can read all the long A sounds words, right? Yes or no? So let me see if you can remember. What is this? Aim. And this is ain. You guys already know all the words, so I'm gonna go over very quickly, okay? So, and I'm gonna give you the dictation part of your homework, all right? So this is a, right? And what about this one? This is a, right? And this is very important. That's why I'm going over all the time, this whole month. So you guys have to focus. Listen, and repeat after your teacher, okay? All right. This is a. Lyle, are you watching? Yes. Lyle and Eric always color. They love all yellow and orange color. I don't know why. Eric, Lyle, why do you guys like those colors? Huh? Tell me why. And this is a. And this is a. Someone told me this is ache. I think I remember who, but I think was it Johnny? No, it wasn't Johnny. I don't remember, but someone told me, "You're a teacher. This is ache." I said no. This is a. I told you. See, loves. E. So they made a little baby sound. This is a. Ace. Okay, what about this one? And this is a, right? A. Alright, so should we go over all the words? No, right? You guys can read all the words by yourselves, right? So let me see. Your teacher will not say any words. I'm gonna zip on my mouth. You guys are going to read, okay? You guys are going to read. To speak. Anyways, guys, you read all the words by yourselves? Yes or no? Guys, you guys can read all the words by yourselves now. Long A sounds, right? So, guys, before we do the magic box time, I want to introduce some good homework papers. So, guys, look, this is Irene's homework. Irene did an excellent work on her homework paper? So good, Irene. I loved it. And the other student was, oh, this is phonics one. This is Min's homework. Anyways, guys. And that was Irene's homework. And this, wow, look at Harin's homework. Harin did an excellent work. Very nice. You guys have to finish all your homework very, very nicely so I can give you some more points, okay? So let me see if you guys can finish this coloring writing paper. This is Chloe's work. It was very nice, and I'm gonna laminate it, and so you can take it home. This is Chloe's work, was very good, and let me see. And this is, oh, Chua did an excellent work, see? But look at this ape. Ape doesn't have any face. But nice, Chua. The other one was very, 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 very good. And I want to tell you something. Eric and Lyle. Eric and Lyle. Eric and Lyle's paper. Okay. We had a same class because Amy teacher didn't come because she was a little bit sick. So we had a class together and they were sitting together and they colored this together. Anyways, do you guys love all the yellow and orange colors? Yes? Anyways, Eric, do you love Lyle? Yeah? We always sit together when we have a same class together. Anyways, what's wrong with this, Moana? But next time, you can do better, Moana, okay? Johnny, you too, okay? And I think, oh, this is the best one, I think. Lily did an excellent. So guys, you guys can, your teacher's gonna give this to you tomorrow, not tomorrow, today, right? And you can take it home and show it to your mommy, and you guys can read all the words, right? Show your mommy that you can read. All right? All right? All right, so everybody, I'm gonna gather all your papers, and you guys have to finish all your homework. Do it very, very nicely with the color pencils. We're just gonna check and pick the best homework of the year. And maybe I'm gonna give you a little gift, right? All right, so everybody, I'm going to bring out the magic box so you guys can do the dictation part of your homework right now. So guys, are you guys ready? Yes or no? I'm just going to pick the 6 friends. Oh, so happy. Guys, it's the magic box. Magic box. Magic box time, guys. All right, so happy. Anyway, so your teacher put all your face pictures in the magic box. And I'm gonna mix it. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put 6 kids, okay? And let's see who's gonna come out first. Are you ready? So number 1, numero uno. Number 1, I don't know why I'm keep doing this. Number one is Moana. Ready? What is this? This is face. What is it? Face. Number 1. Face. 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 Got it? Number 1. Don't look at your teacher's face. Don't look at your beautiful your teacher's face and Moana's face. Just write it down on your paper right now. This is a face. Face. Got it. Waiting. 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 Done. Alright, so thank you, Moana. And alright, so let's see. Let's mix the card. Let's mix the card. Lily, are you having fun with your family? Because you were absent yesterday, right? I don't know if you're gonna come tomorrow, today or not, but hope to see you today. Okay. All right. So Lily, are you ready? So let me see if Lily can answer. Number 2 is Is this way or this way? This way, right? Tape. Number 2. Tape. Tape. I think some of the kids, some of the students, some of your friends call Lily a frozen princess because we did the Mona Lisa game and Lily didn't smile at all. Number 2, tape. Maybe you can play Mona Lisa game with your mommy and daddy. They will surprised. They'll be like, Lily. All right, so Lily has a little frozen smile, but it's beautiful. But it was perfect smile, right, everybody? Yes. So she got the points. I lost. Your teacher lost. Next time we can do it one more time. Okay, Lily? Mona Lisa game. So number 2 is tape, guys. Finish? Did I take you so long? Alright, so Lily did an excellent work. Okay, so Lily, you're gonna come today or not? Hope to see you soon, okay? Bye-bye. Number 3, right? Let's mix the card. You came out again. Did I mix it well? Oscar, number 3. Number 3, Oscar. What is this, Oscar? This is cave. Got it? Number 3, cave. Oscar, is that true that you go to ballet class? Yes. Are you a ballerino? Yes. I want to see you dancing. This is cave. Got it? Cave. Number 3, cave. Alright, so Oscar did an excellent work in the class, but please stop playing with your boyfriends, okay? On the table. Alright, Oscar did an excellent. Thank you, Oscar. Cutie. Alright, so let's mix one more. Oh, I have 3 more to go. Chloe, right? Chloe. Alright, so Chloe, are you ready? Yes, you're not. Alright, so number 4, right? Number 4, this is wave. Richard told you wave is like this, or you can do this as wave too. Wave. Ask your mommy in Korean, okay? Wave. Number 4. Waiting. Write it down. Johnny, write it down right now. Number 4, wave. Thank you, Chloe. And let's see who's gonna come out for number 5. right, so David, you ready? So, number 5 is good aim. Good aim game. Your teacher used to play Super Mario game a lot. When I was little, I loved Super Mario game, but now I don't really play it. I don't have time to play. This is good aim game. Good aim game. Game, okay? David, do you like game? Yes? Do you like Super Mario game? Yes? Or not? This is good aim. Maybe your mom won't let you play games, maybe? Yes? No, I think you play the little game because I saw your picture. Your mommy sent me a picture when you were in the hospital. I saw your game player. Nintendo. And this is good aim game. Number 5, right? Okay, thank you, David. And what about this? Oh, I can't see it. Oh, I mixed the picture with the other friends. Oh no, it's all. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Your picture and the other class picture is all mixed. Why? Why? Who mixed it? Okay, number 6, guys. Number 6. Johnny, stop screaming in the classroom. Your voice is very loud. All right, Johnny. All right, so Johnny, are you ready? So number 6, the last one is cane. 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 Got it? Cane. 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 What is cane in Korean? I think this is a candy cane. In Christmas time, we have a lot of candy cane, but in Korea they don't have it. They don't have candy cane. All right, so number 6 is cane. 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 Okay, Johnny, look at your face. Makes me cry me up. All right, so everybody, thank you, Johnny. All right, so everybody did an excellent work. So finish up all your dictation part of your homework and bring it to your chair on Monday. And it's gonna rain all weekend, especially on Sunday. It's gonna rain a lot. I heard. I saw it on the article. And probably Saturday it's not gonna rain that much, but on Sunday it's gonna rain a lot. So be careful. Be careful wherever you go. Just stay home. Do your homework, and I'll see you guys next Monday with your homework. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. All right, so have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye, guys. I'm just gonna go and take it. Bye-bye.